Hi everyone, welcome back again to dmwokxcreatives, and I'll take you straight away to today's tutorial. We don't have tutorial. Today I just want you to do some assignments, just like the other times that we did our assignments. So today we're going to have our assignment 3. We're going to have our assignment 3, and assignment 3 will have the following questions. Question number 1, let me increase this font so that you can have a good view of the assignment. So question number 1, question number 1, let me take it there. Let's go to question number 1. Question number 1 is design a t-shirt mock-up of your choice. Of your choice. So that's the first question. You need to do something about it. Number 2. Design a flyer. Design a flyer on a product. Number 3. Design a CV template with 2 pages. With 2 pages. With 2 pages. Question number 4. Design a political flyer template of your choice. Question number 5. This should be the last question. The last one is design a t-shirt, not a t-shirt, a container mock-up, of your desired shape, choice. So the first question is design a t-shirt mock-up of your choice. Number 2, design a flyer on a product. flyer on a product. Number 3, design a flyer of a product, not on a product, a flyer of a product of any choice, any choice. Sorry, that was it. So number 3, design a CV template with 2 pages. Number 4, design a political flyer template of your choice. And then number 5, design a container mock-up of your desired choice. So I only need the 5 questions, and this is assignment 3. This is assignment 3. So make sure you do this assignment and send this assignment to the following email. So you will send the assignment, send to dmwokxcreatives at gmail.com. dmwokxcreatives at gmail.com. So me have this to be 30, then I do something on this. So you share your email to dmwoks at gmail.com. so that's where you will share your email, and then you will also have your assignment shared. You can decide to share through this option, but still you can decide to share through the normal email option. So the choice is yours. Get settled and do this assignment so that we can continue from here. So our next tutorial will be more of designing applications, website applications, and mobile phone applications. So be prepared for our next tutorial, which will be which will have actually we will I think we will have more fun doing the design. There will be a lot of fun during the design period. So make sure you are done with this, submit, so that at the end of this you can receive a certificate, so that you can be able to practice with all the confidence. You can be able to do all your practices, or you can be able to provide solutions to your clients with all the confidence. So thank you so much for this short tutorial, and I believe it is going to help someone. Make sure you do this. This will help you gain more get more used to Figma. This will help you have more experience in terms of the practices that you will be doing. So it will help you increase your level of understanding Figma. So thank you so much, and if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, because it will help so many people that are looking for jobs, yet there are so many things they can do to make or to give them some earning. So thank you so much. Have a nice time, and let's meet in our next lesson.